You're just so fast.
This bike's super fast. This bike's addicted to speed.
I haven't ridden that bike in a long time, but I remember being like pretty impressed.
Wasn't ours just the 500?
No, I thought we had 750.
Oh, was it?
I don't know. Maybe you're right. I don't know.
I thought it was only a 500. That's the one with the like the busted up muffler. Hey,
what's up, guys? Yo, does this mean we can't go?
I think so.
Oh, no way.
I think we're good.
All right, let's go. Let's go. What gear am I in? All right, here we go.
That was it.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Sean and Caleb. We are doing the head-to-head video with Caleb riding the, what are you riding, Caleb?
I'm riding a XG 750 Harley Davidson.
The luscious XG 750.
And Sean is riding.
Check me out, look at me. I'm riding the big, the bad, the very small, the underdog, the 650 Kawasaki Vulcan S.
Just like right away, my initial thought is that bike is way more comfortable than this bike.
My bike?
Yeah, for sure.
Really?
I hate these pegs like directly beneath me. I feel like I'm riding a toddler's bike.
Oh, you don't like the mid-control?
I don't mind it, but it's just such a small bike. To put mid-controls on a small bike just makes it even more awkward.
Well, it's just more sporty. It's just a sportier stance.
Yeah, that's true. It's more like a dirt bike.
It's more like a race rocket.
It's more like a race rocket.
Alright, so we're gonna do our little head-to-head. We're gonna do a little whoa!
Oh! I forgot this thing's actually like decently quick.
It is. That's the thing. I'm not. If I had to put money on it, I would think that actually, if I had to put money on it, I would think that I would be the winner. Whatever bike I'm riding. But no, I think that thing might beat this. I really do.
Wow. Everyone's convinced it's the rider.
Everyone says it's gonna be the 650, but I'm like, I don't know.
Right.
I'm turning right here, just so you don't T-bone me.
Same. Yeah.
I have no idea where my turn signal controls are on this bike. Hey, Sean, I know that guy.
Really?
All right, I'm gonna be in second gear.
Am I supposed to go to second gear?
Yeah.
All right, I'm in second gear now too.
1, 2, 3, go.
First off, the controls on this thing are super high.
Yeah?
Like some guy riding this was wearing platform shoes.
Oh, nice.
But you shifted a little bit before me and just pulled away.
All right, go to fourth gear.
2, 4.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go not the speed limit and then get up to the speed limit. If you hear what I'm saying. All right, fourth gear. Okay. Where are your RPMs at?
I don't have a tack.
Oh, okay.
I might have one if I toggle to it.
I'm at 3,000.
Let me see if I can toggle. No, I have no tack.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna get my little edge.
Holy smokes, dude!
Amazing!
Did you really let me go?
I did.
Really?
Yeah, I kind of held back.
Because I just throttled it and got up real quick.
And then I was like, give it to him.
Yeah, this thing moves, dude. I mean,
yeah.
I mean, the Rocket 3 was like shaking when I did it.
Was it?
The Rocket 3, yeah.
I might be hogging up the whole lane here. All right.
This is actually a fun bike to ride.
Yo, get some sick pic video of me hitting this corner right here.
I got you.
You got me?
I got you. You were pretty close to that lower peg.
Yeah.
I never really got out of fourth. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, and he slows down real quick on me. Woo,
yo, can you slow down the first?
Oh, I can try. And we good?
Yep.
Trace.
On him.
Was that a cop up there?
Nah, it's probably just Jason.
No, that's definitely a cop.
Oh, all right. Go to second then.
I'm in second.
He was waving to us.
He like knows what's about to go down.
Yeah. I'm in third. Are you in third?
I'm in third.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. joking with you. Smoked ya. All right, let's pull over up here and let's switch bikes.
Okay. Here?
Yeah. We'll turn on the road. There's a little thing up here.
Oh yeah. It's called a driveway.
No, I'm not talking about this.
Oh.
This little sketchy area. It's called a sketchy area.
Watch, you're gonna get on this 3750 and you're gonna be like, Caleb, you're riding it like an idiot. Boom!
Wow, this does feel a whole lot different.
Yeah, it's like way less comfortable, right? Car. Oh shoot, I just totally stalled out.
Oh, so lame. All right, so we have switched motorcycles.
Oh, this is way more comfortable.
It's definitely super sporty though. Are you in first?
Yeah, I'm in first.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Dang!
It's got much shorter gears.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't pull away nearly. Like it definitely, whoa. It definitely, you see how high that freaking thing is though?
What, how forward the controls are, like this way?
No, the
shifter.
The shifter.
Oh yeah.
It's like some dude with platform shoes was rocking it.
All right, how many gears do I have? All right, so I'm in 6th, I'm in 5th, I'm in 4th, I'm in 3rd. You in 3rd?
1, 2.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, go.
So we have officially concluded that we have no idea if these test drives are at all tangible at all.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I feel like maybe this test drive is like a bad thing.
It gets us nowhere.
I know.
We have no clue. We need to go back to doing the real life 0 to 60 videos.
Oh, yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Oh no! Traffic!
What time is it? How's the traffic already?
It's not quite 3, I don't think.
No.
But yeah, I really gotta lift my whole leg up to shift this thing.
Yeah, it's terrible.
You know what's super weird? How why is traffic significantly heavier? I'm gonna get closer so you can hear me. Why is traffic significantly heavier on Friday? Are more people coming home from work on Friday?
I don't know.
Are people living at their jobs 4 days a week and then at Friday they're coming home? What's going on?
I think it might be that people are all leaving at similar times on Fridays, maybe.
Why?
Because they don't stay late on Fridays, probably.
So there's a job that's out there that's okay, you gotta stay till 6 every day, but Friday you leave whenever Sean and Caleb are headed home.
Right. They're like, hey, this is when these guys are leaving. Can everyone please coordinate this?
Yeah, I can see that.
So I feel like this test drive was kind of a flop on my part.
We need, we need one more shot. We need one more on the home stretch. Yo, get some good footage of me dragging peg on this thing on that. You know, I don't really like this turn up here because it's all bumpy.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right. I haven't really analyzed this turn too hard, but I would have to agree with you.
I definitely feel pretty sporty on this bike though.
I don't like it. It's like too aggressive.
But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like if I'm gonna ride a dirt bike, I'm gonna ride a dirt bike.
Look, we get low, ma. That was not low.
Tried.
It was not low.
Tried. Well, it was probably low for that bike.
Get low. Yo, Caleb, top gear, man. Getting top gear.
Top gear.
Top gear. 6 speed. I'm as high as gear as I can give be.
Money.
Where you at?
This thing is like shaking on me right now.
Yeah, it's too high. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
No cigar, dude.
No cigar. Look at those guys.
Low cigar.
Alright guys, that wraps up. So in conclusion,
it's
no conclusion. No conclusion.
In conclusion, it's not what you're riding, but who's riding it.
It's not what you're riding, but where you're going. See, I was going to a good place. T-bone.
Dude, I love this digital tack on this. Like, why do all things not have digital tack?
It is super cool, isn't it?
It's so much nicer.
I'm gonna get some sweet footage of you riding that thing.
In my
Caleb, yo, Caleb, we all forget. How tall are you?
6'4".
And you feel pretty good on that bike?
Yeah, that's why you feel super comfy, man.
Like, you don't look like you devour that bike.
No, I mean, the fact that I would have these dope A6
Yo,
on.
watch out for that big, Caleb.
Dang!
Oh! I'm digging them socks.
Yeah,
with
you
the
like
with the tennis shoes.
Tennis shoes. What are you, 80 years old? I've never heard someone call them tennis shoes.
Yeah, super funny. Yo, the internet's gonna blow up because of you wearing them ridiculous. You're not wearing boots while you're riding.
You idiot!
Alright guys, subscribe. We're gonna keep on doing head-to-head videos. And in case you were wondering, these are not racing videos. We're just like
comparing and contrasting.
Comparing and contrasting. We're just getting next to each other.
That sounded so weird.
Yeah, that sounded awkward. What's up guys, I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Bring your bikes and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We will see you guys later. We're